Hey Legends! Looking to unlock new legends faster? Here's how to farm legends tokens like a pro. Legend tokens are earned every time you level up past level 4. You get 600 per level, so the key is to keep grinding XP. Remember, more XP means more legend tokens. Now, let's talk about maximizing those XP gains. To level up faster, focus on high XP activities. Survive longer, get kills, and play with friends for the squad bonus. You could see your active bonuses here. So you could get active bonuses from getting the battle pass. And if you're playing with friends, so you could get a maximum of 10% for if you're playing with 2 other friends. Next, don't sleep on challenges. Battle Pass missions give massive XP boosts, speeding up your token farm. And every now and then, you have event challenges. And don't forget to check your daily challenges every single day. In case you need to check which of your weekly challenges you haven't done, go to challenges and check out Battle Pass weeklies. You have different challenges that you could check out every week. Remember, there are no shortcuts here. You actually have to play. So drop in, frag out, and stack those tokens.